All right, welcome. Today we're going to be going through the January 2021 paper. So going to the January 2021 CSEC paper. So let's have a go at it. The formula sheet, this is question one. Question one says, using a calculator or otherwise calculate the exact value of this. Just take out the calculator and punch it in. Like, you really don't need to waste any time. We're just going to take out our calculator and we're going to put in 1 and 4 over 7 plus 2 over 3 minus 1 and 5 over 6. We just put it in our calculator and we get 17 over 42. So all of this is just 17 over 42. All right, you don't need to be wasting time and working it out. All right, we have too much things to do. 17 over 42, that's the answer. You can tell them, say you use the calculator. All right, nice. Now the next part, now it didn't say using a calculator. It says write down the value of the cube root of 27 over 9 squared. So the cube root of 27, the numerator part, you see that cube root of 27, that's 3, right? The cube root of 27 is 3, and the 9 squared is 81. So this is going to become 3 over 81. But then 3 into itself goes 1 time, and 3 into 81 goes 27 times. So this becomes 1 over 27. And it's nice. So that's the answer, 1 over 27. I'll get what other 2 marks right there. Now, if you're not feeling confident, you can always take out the calculator and stay to the books and check it. This is how you get cube root in the calculator. You press shift, then you press the cube root button. Cube root of 27 divided by 9 squared. 1 over 27. And you know, say correct. All right, and then you move on. Nice. So now now get a couple marks already. All right, part B. Part B says the thickness of one sheet of cardboard is 480 times 10 to the minus 2 millimeters. A construction worker uses 75 sheets of cardboard to stack them together. So show that the exact thickness of the insulation is 363.75. Well, the exact thickness is just multiplying the 485 times 10 to the minus 2 times 75. That's going to give you exact thickness. So I'm going to call this thickness. All right, so thickness of the insulation T is equal to 485 times, that should be at 8. Let me write it a little better. Sorry about this. This is going to be 485 times 10 to the minus 2. And this is multiplied by 75. Multiplied by 75. So multiply this by 75. What we're going to be getting is, I'm just going to take out my calculator. 485 times 10 raised to the negative 2. And then we multiply that by 75. And so what we end up getting is, see, there we get the answer, 363.75 millimeter. So that is 363.75 millimeter. All right, that's your answer. All right, now it says, write the thickness of the insulation correct to 2 significant figures. 2 significant figures mean 2 sig fig right there. So the 2 significant figures, if you're rounding that off, the thickness would be 360. That is because this number right here, 3, is less than 6. Since this number 3 is less than 6, that's what it would be to two significant figures. So that is your answer, and that wasn't too bad. Nice. Now it says write your answer to one decimal place. One decimal place, we have to look at this one right here. So, and this is 5 or more. So now to one decimal place, it would be 363 point. This is bigger, so round it up. I now put 363.8. That's the one decimal place. That's your answer. Okay, the next part. The next part says now in standard form. In standard form, it's going to be 3.6 times 10 to the second power. In standard form, it's going to be 3.63 times 10 to the second power. 10 to the second power. Well, let me write the exact answer. It's 3.6375 times 10 to the second power. All right. And if you don't believe me, I'm just going to show you in the calculator. All right. If I write 3.6375 times 10 to the second power, see there, we get our answer, 363.75. So that's that. Nice. The next part says Marco is on a vacation in the Caribbean, and he changes 4,500 Mexican dollars to Eastern Caribbean, and he receives 630. And then it says complete this statement below to find out what was the exchange rate. So what had happened was 4,500 Mexican dollars. I'm gonna write MXN for Mexican dollars. It happened to be 630 ECD. So to find out what's the exchange rate, they want to know what is 1 ECD. We can divide both sides by 630. If we divide both sides by 630, then we're going to get what is 1 ECD. So let's do our division. When we do our division, this right here, 630 cancel, 630. So let's put 4,500 over 630. So 4,500 divided by 630, and that is going to give us 7.142. And you know, so it's currency, so you round off to two decimal place, 7.14. So 1 EC is, put your dollar sign, because remember it's money, so put your dollar sign. So it is 1 EC is 7.14. Okay, that's it.